Traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Ricky Cadan back again with another real life stock review just for you. It is the 1st of July, everybody, the start of a new month. And what a month it was in June. I mean, guys, we have had some sensational results here at Real Life Trading. And let me just show you actually, because last month was absolutely incredible. I've never seen such high numbers from everybody ever in such a long time. Because everyone absolutely crushed it. I mean, we got Kay getting 7R on swing trades. We got Krishna 11R for June, best month ever. Ryan 11.89R, Ali B 18R, 18R guys. We've got Jamie here 4.7, Helen absolutely crushing it 26.35R, Bill 18R, Malcolm 7.5 plus 1.5, myself I did 21.2R. I mean, there's just absolutely crazy results here. Diane getting 14R and Eve getting 16.87. Guys, if you are not part of this community, you are losing money by not being there. If you guys want to crush it, you guys want to be trading with me and getting these results and just having someone help guide you and take the right trades and have consistency, then you need to be a part of our community. Now, there has been a few trades that I will speak about just shortly, but let's talk about the broader markets. So right now, guys, the broader markets are chilling. Right, we are at a support level. We're at the 200 simple moving average. Right now, we are just chilling. I do expect us to trade sideways for a little bit longer, build a little bit more pressure for a little while longer. The E-mini is not doing a whole lot, just small little gap down and trading bearish a little bit. Most likely will come back down. Beyond Meat. Now, guys, this is what I want to share with you. So Beyond Meat, we originally had a trade to get in bullish if we popped above this particular candle. We did not pop. It did come down, right? So we did not get triggered into the trade. Now on this day, right here, I said let's redo the trade and have an entry above here with a stop down below here. And here is... This was well before the market opened. You can see it just to the right here. Bill's saying, thoughts on moving entry beyond down? I said, yep. You possibly move the entry down to 133, 123 for a nice little double bottom retest and buying on a retest. So there was some... Bill absolutely crushed this. He did end up getting in at 133. Absolutely crushing it. And look at this, guys. Already gapping up to 146. So he's already in the money a lot. A lot. He is already absolutely crushing this particular trade on Beyond Meat, and most likely he will hold this one till the highs and make 2 to 3R on that particular trade. So well done, Bill. Beyond Meat was a sensational dip buying opportunity. A lot of real life traders have sold puts at 130 and hoping to get put shares, but absolutely crushing life. 146, sensational gap. Watch that one on open, guys. Here's Tesla. Now, Tesla, I did actually miss this one last night. This was a really, really, really nice breakout. The only reason I missed it was not on my gap list because we simply did not gap. But it was a sensational continuation play, and realistically, guys, it just did not stop. I mean, if you bought at some point early morning, you would have made a lot of money on Tesla. So it was a really great trade. I do think we will pull back just a little bit. Tesla is going to 1200, everybody. Just throwing it out there. I've been saying that since 400. So there are traders in our trading room who have been trading Tesla on the way up and making some gainage on this one just based on that analysis that we are going to 1200. Just absolutely obvious on Tesla. And that's pretty much it for some of the US stocks. The ASX 200, guys, we are just in a sideways trend right now. Expect resistance back up here. We're probably going to get a small little gap down tomorrow and then come back down to the 50 and some change. Most likely just trade sideways for that little bit longer. Here's Qantas coming back down from these recent highs, coming down to a really nice dip buying location. So a lot of people did buy Qantas right at the top here and then got absolutely hosed. And right now is a really good time to start looking at owning some Qantas shares. I mean, we got some sensational volume coming in. Really, really loving it. The only thing holding this down is obviously the long-term moving averages. As you can see here, the 100 simple is pushing this down a little bit further. And obviously with uh, international travel being non-existent in Australia at this point, and a lot of the flights still struggling to get off the runway due to COVID-19. There are a lot of planes being cancelled, etc., etc. So Qantas is not just going to shoot to the moon from here, guys. It's going to be a very long-winded watch this paint drying stock because this is going to take some time. So watch this one, guys. It's going to take a couple of years, most likely, on Qantas. APT, I mean, can't go wrong with payment systems. And, I mean, this APT is just absolutely incredible. What a bullish stock. I've never been bearish on this stock. I've always been saying look to buy the dip, and I hope you have been. I've pretty much been talking to you guys about this stock basically since back here. And I've said every time it comes down to the 100 simple, just look to buy. And when we were down here, I was like, well, it's a no-brainer. Buy, buy, buy. Just keep on. Like, this is just a nice level. Right now, I wouldn't be buying up here just because it's very, very extended. Just look to buy a dip somewhere around the 100 simple moving average. And yeah, look to lock in some of those gains. Shout outs to Helen, one of our traders, absolutely crushing APT, buying it from pre-IPO levels. Wow. Here's crude oil. Now, crude oil, I'm not doing a whole lot, guys. Just trading completely sideways. Pretty boring. Not a whole lot happening. Not really much of a trend right now. We are stuck between the 100 and 200 simple moving average on a daily chart. On gold, I did mention the other week or last week that we are going to break 1800. There it was. We did break 1800, guys, and right now we're probably just going to come down, quick little retest, and then slowly trade sideways, and then look to go bullish on gold. Looks sensational. The Aussie dollar still building this pressure, guys. If we do get a quick little dip back down to the 200, that will be a nice little buying location for us to go long, and then you'll watch it go back up to about 72 and some change on the Aussie dollar. But guys, if you do want to be a part of our real life trading Australia community, I mean, it is something that you do want to consider. I mean, this price right here per month, $129 per month, that's an absolute bargain. Take a screenshot of this because most likely these prices will be going up in the future. Most people are purchasing the premium bundle just because of the coaching sessions. So much value in this, more than you can grasp your head around. But guys, get involved. Come join us if you want gains just like the rest of these amazing people here. I mean, come and join us. We will help you be a lot more consistent with your trading, and we look forward to trading alongside with you. All right, team, that's enough from me. I'll be back on Friday with another real life stock review. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.